The town of Thái Hòa, Nghệ An is currently facing many water pollutions in many canal systems and small river branches such as the Two-Tree Canal and some areas along the Hill River. Household waste from from some houses are being distracted directly into the river, causing many pollutions and problems which affect the water quality and flooding system in this river. However, the investment in upgrading the water system or reorganizing the residential areas such as near the river in order to reduce the number of pollution of the river has not been invested a lot by the Taiwan local authorities. In this video, I'm Vũ Nam and my team 4, will explore more about the pollution of Taiwan in water pollution.
Water pollution not only affects the people's daily lives, but also damages the urban aesthetic and negatively impacts the town's overall development. This video will delve into and truthfully illustrate the current situation. It will also explore the response measures taken by local authorities.
First, we look at the pollution in Hill River, one of the main waterways in Taiwan Town. This river used to be clean and was useful for swimming and making the town look nice, but now the water has changed color, thus it floating on the surface, and the riverbed is slowly filling with mud and sediment.
When household waste and dirty water are released into the river every day without treatment, the river's ecosystem is damaged, the water flow becomes weaker, and the river cannot clean itself like before. During heavy rain, trash and soil are washed into the river, causing the water become muddy and increasing the risk of flooding in the lower areas.
From this situation, it is clear that pollution in the Hill River is not only an environmental problem but also a cause of flooding in Taiwan. When the river is filled with trash and sediment, it cannot drain water quickly. Because of this, during big storms like Storm No 8, 9, and 10, the water level rose faster than normal. This storm caused the Hill River to overflow into the lower areas of Taiwan, leading to a lot of damage to people and their property.
The pollution in the Hill River comes from household wastewater and trash from nearby homes. Some reports say that many canals and drains send dirty water straight into the river. These channels carry things like plastic bags, bottles, cooking oil waste, and saffron. In addition, some small factories and home businesses near the river are also said to release wastewater that is not treated properly.
Through this section, we have presented about the different aspects of the pollution in the Hill River. We can see that if timely measures are not taken, the river condition will become increasingly concerning. However, the Vietnam Urban Water Supply and Wastewater Project have already conducted an environment assessment for Taiwan, proposing improvement in water supply, wastewater treatment and drainage, along with measures manage waste and the protect ecosystem. These efforts show that steps are being taken, though the impact will depend on effective implementation.
Welcome to Bobsleigh Park, a green space located in Hoa Hill Ward, Taiwan Town. This is expected to have an area of 105,000 meters square, and the water surface is expected to have 52,673 meters square. This is a place where people can admire the beautiful lotus flower and the blooming golden trees under the sunlight.
However, this ideal beauty is being threatened by pollution from surrounding water sources. According to our survey, many small drainage canals discharge directly into Baosan Lake, carrying them with household waste such as plastic bags, bottles, soap foam, and cooking oil residue.
When the dirty water enter the lake, it not only change the color of the water near the shore, but it also makes the whole lake more polluted. This affects the lake ability to clean, to control water and clean itself. This shows that the planning around the lake was not supported with good pollution control measures for the nearby sources.
The polluted water flowing into Baosan Lake makes the lake less beautiful, with trash and dirty water ruining the peaceful view. If this continues, the lake may lose its ability to hold rainwater and keep the local environment balanced. We can affect the town development. To solve this, Taiwan authorities can build better collection systems along the canals, install trash barriers, clean the area regularly, and teach nearby residents to protect the water.
From what we can see at Baosan and Hoa Hill River, it is clear that water pollution is damaging people's lives and the town appearance. Household water waste and untreated water is damage the water and make it dirtier, causing a lot of serious problem and make the risk of flooding.